incredible. Over the past 2 months, this YouTube channel, without the YouTuber showing their face, has generated over $155,000 by uploading these simple motivational videos, and upon closer examination, it was literally launched only
5 or 6 months ago.
The second uploaded video has surpassed 1 million views, which is simply amazing. In this video, I will show you precisely how you can start your own automated YouTube channel, and you won't need a single employee because I've found some AI tools that will allow you to automate the entire process. To show you the proof, here's a quick excerpt of the video I was able to create in 15 minutes, which is better than the video uploaded by Stoic Bond that surpassed 1 million views. We have 5 parts to create the actual video, but I will also reveal one last tip at the end of the video that I learned from managing multiple YouTube channels without showing my face. People usually pay thousands of dollars for this information by purchasing courses, so make sure to pay close attention. To start, we need an idea and a script. For the idea, I would recommend starting based on proven concepts, meaning you draw inspiration from other YouTube videos that are performing well. For this example, I'll use the same idea as the reference video with 1 million views, which is 7 things you should do. To generate the script, we'll use the best AI tool available currently, Chat GPT, preferably Chat GPT 4 if you want the best possible results, but it doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and open a new chat. I've created a perfect prompt that will give you a script tailored to the style of these Stoicism channels. As you can see, it's quite long, so I'll just paste it in the description. What you need to do, however, is change this part here. Insert your own topic the video will be about, and the script will be written based on that. Now, let's just send the prompt since I've already written my topic. As you can see, it generates the entire script with an ancient and wise tone, perfect for Stoicism channels. The best part is that this prompt also quotes Stoic legends, such as Marcus Aurelius, which makes the content much better. Keep in mind, when creating your actual videos, try to create a script of about 1,500 to 1,600 words, as this will translate to 8 minutes. This is really important because the RPM, that is, the amount of money you get per 1,000 views, will increase significantly for longer videos. Anyway, now that we have the first draft of our script, it's time to move on to the next step. This is about generating the voice. If you've been enjoying this video so far, make sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment so we can boost the algorithm. It really helps me a lot. Instead of having to spend a lot of money on a real voiceover artist, I found the best AI speech synthesis software that has a voice with absolutely perfect tone and sound. This would normally be very difficult to find, or would cost you over $600 for $2,500 words, which is absolutely crazy. The site is called 11 Labs, so sign up for free and head to the voice library. Here you can listen to a sample of the different voices to hear what they sound like. We have memorized the golden rule. Let's apply it now to life. Before putting on a frown, make sure there are absolutely no smiles available. Normally, you would click Add to Voice Lab, but I've already done that, so I'll meet you on this page once you're in the Voice Lab. Just click Use, and it will take you to another page. You don't really need to edit anything here, so I'll paste my script and press Generate. Now, it will start generating the voiceover. As you'll soon hear, it generates small excerpts at a time, so give it some time to do the whole voiceover. Once that's done, simply press the small download button in the bottom right corner. It's time to create the visual content.
I use playgroundai.com.
There's a feature that allows me to create multiple images in the same style. You can also use any alternative free software such as Cart or Adobe Firefly 2. As long as you get images, it doesn't matter. I've already gone through the lengthy process of creating a basic style for this type of video, so I'll paste the specific prompt
from playgroundai.com,
which you can simply copy-paste. Now just paste the prompt.
Then click the Generate button.
Download all the images and put them in the video folder. Next, we'll put it all together, and it only takes a few minutes if you follow this method I'm going to show you. The best way to do this is to use Canva. It's really intuitive and easy to use, not to mention it's completely free. What you want to do is open the Canva website and click on Create, then choose YouTube Gaming Video. This will give you a blank canvas as shown here, and the first step is to insert your AI-generated images into different pages. To do this, click click on Uploads on the left, then Upload Media. I've already uploaded all my images before, so I'll just select them from there and insert my images into the pages by highlighting the blank page, then pressing the image. Make sure to change the duration for how long the image is displayed, and here you can choose what works best for your video. I'll go for 10 seconds for each image, then click on my first image, then animate. We'll scroll down and add a little zoom effect to each image. I would recommend using the same settings as me for this, then also click Apply to all pages. You can also play around with a few transitions, but just go for the simplest ones, as we don't want to distract the viewers. Apply to all pages, and let's move on. Next, press Elements and search for Old Film. You'll see this specific one that I like to use, but again, you can use anything as they all do the same thing. Make sure this size matches your canvas, then duplicate it and put it on each page, as we want the same effect for the entire video. And this step is crucial. Don't make the same mistake I did. You need to make sure there's no animation applied to the old film overlays. Otherwise, you'll get this unnecessarily long white transition for no reason. And anyway, let's take a quick look at the video. It's time to add the actual voiceover. You just need to click on Uploads again, then upload your voiceover. You essentially just click on it in Canva, and it will appear as an audio track. I'll move it around a bit so it doesn't start immediately when the video launches. In the quiet hours of the morning, when the world awakens, it sounds good. It looks good. However, if you feel like something's missing, it's because we don't have music. And to find a really great track that's not protected by copyright, meaning you could use it for free on YouTube, head over to a website called Pixabay. Try searching for keywords like ancient mysterious, and you'll get a bunch of suggestions. I found this one that sounds really good for this type of video, so just download the track you find, then proceed in the same way as with the voiceover, download it and apply it to the video. Also, make sure to adjust the volume of the music so it doesn't overpower the entire video. Now, let's listen to the excerpt again. In the quiet hours of the morning, when the world awakens, we find ourselves at the cusp of daily renaissance. The difference is huge. It's practically done. Without subtitles for this type of videos, you're screwed because the video doesn't contain many video clips, so we need to captivate the viewer with text. Apparently, Canva doesn't have automatic captioning, and correct me if I'm wrong, but luckily I found another AI tool that will make really accurate subtitles in less than a minute. It's completely free, watermark-free, and it's called CapCut. Just go to their website and upload your video like this. Then, you want to check that it's been uploaded correctly. As the world awakens, we find ourselves at the cusp of daily life. Now, click on the Subtitles tab on the left, then Auto Subtitles, then Generate. You'll see that it generated subtitles for the entire video, and they're grammatically correct as well. I usually place them in the middle, then we'll change the text style. Just click on the T icon on the right, and you'll get style options that you can adjust. I'll scroll through the styles until I find serif, because that gives a certain ancient Greek feel, in my opinion. Then, tweak the opacity a bit so it's not completely bright. Also, turn on the shadow effect and make it black. That way the text will have a bit more depth. Now, if we play the video a bit again, you'll see it has much better subtitles. All that's left to do is export the video and download it. But this step is also very important. Once you press Export at the top right, you'll need to change the settings so the video is of the best quality possible. As you can see here, now you've officially created your first faceless video, and remember, the most important part is to stay consistent and outperform the quality of your competitors. Always keep that in mind. Aside from that, leave a thumbs up and a comment if you found this helpful, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to not miss any of our future videos. Leave a thumbs up if you found this content helpful, and share it with your friends and community. Together, we can reach new heights and build a future where success is within everyone's reach. Thank you for your support, and see you soon on our channel.